Annual HVAC maintenance. Why is it important? Annual cooling system maintenance is an absolute necessity to ensure that your cooling system is working as efficiently as possible. The more energy efficient your cooling system runs, the cheaper your electricity bills will be throughout the long summer months. Annual HVAC maintenance also helps to extend the overall lifespan of your HVAC system by ensuring that all of its internal components are properly lubricated, inspected, and cleaned. Most homeowners are surprised to discover that they must get annual maintenance to maintain the manufacturer's warranty on their cooling systems. Even skipping 1 year can void your existing warranty coverage. Yearly HVAC maintenance by an HVAC contractor can also enhance your indoor air quality level. If it's time for annual cooling maintenance for your Cape Coral, Florida home, be sure to get in contact with Florida Cooling Solutions at floridacoolingsolutionsInc.com or 239-312-9637 today.